India has 2 lakh plus housing societies with crores of residents living in them. Way back in 2009, Adda pioneered the housing society management category in India with a vision of running these mini cities better, along with providing convenient and secure living to its residents. Today, Adda is one of the world's most trusted community management platforms, used across 90 plus cities in India and 6 plus countries including the USA, UAE, Singapore, Oman and Mauritius, also winning recognition like Gartner Category Leader, Best PropTech ERP Awards from Economic Times, World Realty Congress Dubai and many more.
Today we speak with San Banerjee, co-founder and CEO of Adda. After stepping away from a career at SAP, post her MBA from Louisiana State University, she has spent the last 15 years deeply immersed in building solutions, which today is impacting millions living in residential communities across India and the world. She brings in some rare insights which make this conversation worth listening to. Do be with us till the end.
Let's time travel. It's 2009. iPhone just launch हुआ है. Instagram तभी था भी नहीं
था.
Most people using a Nokia or like a very simple phone, and you start a society management app.
That's how the whole thing started.
भी निकाला तभी GST नहीं था.
Exactly. तो we didn't think कि startup करना है, company बनाना है. It was like, yeah, there's a problem. We are capable of solving it. Let's solve it. So that's how the whole thing started.
Welcome to Wise Exchange, powered by Adda.io. You know, I've had a chance to speak to a lot of prominent real estate developers from India, from Dubai, from Abu Dhabi. I've got a chance to speak to a lot of top architects. Whenever I speak to real estate developers, वो architects पे डालते हैं यार, you know, to make a successful society, make a successful project, एक architect का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है. जब मैं आर्किटेक्ट से बात करता हूं तो वो बोलता है यार वो सोसाइटी में जो रहने आते हैं वो उस बिल्डिंग को कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं, कैसे रखते हैं, चीज उस पे जाता है. तो आज मुझे ऐसा लगता है आज मुझे आंसर्स मिलेंगे हाउ टू रन अ गुड सोसाइटी. आई हैव सैन बैनर्जी विद मी, को फाउंडर सीईओ ऑफ Adda.io. सैन, मुंबई में आपका स्वागत है.
Thank you so much.
Flying all the way from Bangalore. First of all, let me welcome you to Mumbai.
Thank you.
Mumbai loves you.
I love
And
Mumbai. I'm
my
Mumbai.
building loves you more because I stay in a building which uses Adda.
Thank
So I'm
you.
also like your friend and I'm also a user of Adda.
Awesome.
San, Wise Exchange, I have decided to interview this thing in 3 parts. What it was, how Adda started, कैसे था, क्या था, what it is, अभी, कि अभी का actually क्या scenario चल रहा है, and what are the vision of the company present, and something which I am very excited about, the future. Future में क्या हो सकता है. So what it was, what it is, what it will be. This is how I want to take our conversation ahead. Let's start with chapter 1, what it was. Let's time travel. It's 2009. iPhone just launch हुआ है. Instagram तभी था भी नहीं
था.
Most people using a Nokia or like a very simple phone, and you start a society management app, Adda.io. क्या सोचा, मतलब how did it start?
Well, actually, तब apps नहीं थे. It was mainly websites that people will use, and societies में they would use Yahoo groups, because people have to communicate. There's no WhatsApp, obviously. So people would use Yahoo groups. They will create groups, okay. Some Google groups was also advanced that time. पहले Yahoo groups आया, उसके बाद Google groups, okay. So there will be many tens of Yahoo groups in each society, okay. Owners का एक Yahoo groups, owners and tenants का एक Yahoo group, MC का एक Yahoo group, and so on. So this communication within people was a big problem within a society, right? And the difference is that you need to make sure you are actually talking with the owners of the society, because you are going to wash some dirty linens, which you don't want to do in public. Otherwise, your property value goes down. So how to, get this communication done was a big problem. Secondly, it was billing. ये जो collection करना है owners से, right, of the maintenance charges, ये कैसे किया जाए in a good way. And this was in Bangalore. I think Mumbai it was sorted because Mumbai has these professional accountants who do only society accounting.
Okay.
So they had put certain systems in place. They had even built certain offline softwares, which I was not aware that time, right? Later we got to know. Bangalore had nothing. Okay, so here we have कि okay, society में एक अंकल के पास टैली है, वी पायरेटेड टैली, ओके, वो यूज़ करके हम लोगों का सोसाइटी का अकाउंटिंग, बिलिंग, ये सब हो रहा है. ट्रेजरर इज पर्सनली रनिंग आफ्टर ऑल द ओनर्स की भाई आपने पेमेंट नहीं किया है, आपका नोटिस बोर्ड पे नाम रख देंगे एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. So I and Venkat come from a background where I was with SAP, Finance and Controls, and Venkat was in high performance web development. तो हम दोनों ने सोचा यार इसका सिस्टम होना चाहिए. There should be a solution. Let's look up for our own society. We were one of the first 6 families who moved in. तो कोई भी सोसाइटी में जो अर्ली मूव इन करते हैं वो बाय डिफॉल्ट पार्ट ऑफ द कमिटी हो जाता है, यू नो, द एडहॉक कमिटी व्हाटएवर. तो वी वर लाइक दैट एंड वी वर वेस्टिंग सो मच टाइम एवरी वीकेंड डिस्कसिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स कि ये कैसे किया जाए, वो कैसे किया जाए एंड ऑल दैट, हाउ डू वी कलेक्ट इन टाइम. सो वी वर वेरी श्योर कि इसके लिए कुछ तो सॉफ्टवेयर होना चाहिए, कुछ तो ऑनलाइन होना चाहिए. व्हेन वी हैड लुक्ड अप दैट टाइम, कॉमन फ्लोर वाज देयर.
Common Floor.
I don't know if you remember that.
Yeah.
So Common Floor, actually they became a very large listing, real estate listing site. They were competing with the Magic Bricks and 99 Acres later. That time, their goal was to become Facebook was there that time, Facebook of societies.
Okay.
They were focusing mainly on this communication aspect, right? And they were doing a decent job of getting people to get on their platform for communication. But we realized communication, yes, but this billing and collection is a big problem, right? So can we not combine this on one platform? That's how Apartment Adda started. Okay, so it was not Adda from the beginning, it was apartmentadda.com.
.com, okay.
Back then. And we just started it and had our own society use it. Okay. फिर हमने क्या किया, and we were both having jobs that time. So हमने जब neighborhood, one more society, we showed them, they said, this is great, how much do we pay? We're like, oh, people will pay for it, all right. So, you know, we kind of gave them a certain amount and they said, check किसके नाम पे दें? We said, हमारे नाम पे, give it in my name.
मेरे अड्डे में भेज दो.
हाँ, so they said, no, we cannot write name in the, check in the name of a individual. We need a company. Sir, अच्छा तो कंपनी में रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा, you know. That's how the whole thing
GST नंबर
started.
भी निकाला, तभी GST नहीं था.
हाँ, exactly. तो we didn't think कि startup करना है, कंपनी बनाना है. It was like, yeah, there's a problem. We are capable of solving it. Let's solve it. So that's how the whole thing started.
Super. So also you have done your MBA from Louisiana State.
Mm-hmm.
Your husband Venkat, co-founder. You know, you Bangalore, वहाँ पे लोग ऐसे थोड़ा कूल चीज़ों पे ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं. लाइक यू नो, पीपल स्टार्टेड ई-कॉमर्स वेबसाइट, ई-कॉमर्स स्टार्टअप, कुछ टेक स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट किया. अड्डा ऑफ कोर्स इट्स टेक, बट how did society management come up? I'm sure you, with your background, you have worked with big companies, but society management आपने क्यों select किया?
ऐसे नहीं है कि सिलेक्ट किया, इट जस्ट सो हैपेंड कि वी वॉकड इनटू दिस प्रॉब्लम.
Right, you told, yeah.
I think those people who started e-commerce probably they also felt the problem somewhere and they said, hey, I'm capable of solving it, I guess, right? The ones that became really successful and stayed in the long run, right? So I think that's where a genuine company starts कि यार this is a problem that's really bugging me, I'm capable of solving it. How can I say no to solving it, you know? So it's pretty much, अरे यार चिंतन मेरा यहाँ पे itch हो रहा है, can you scratch it? No, I'll scratch it myself, right? It's scratching your own itch. So that's how.
So you have a pain point and you try to solve it. So that's how thing happen. So again, society management, जो मैं पिक्चर कर रहा हूँ, of course I was 22, 23, but उस टाइम पे I think रजिस्टर मेंटेन होता था. You know, people वो नोटिस बोर्ड पे कैश बुक और वो सब सिस्टम चलता था. उस टाइम पे अंकल्स और आंटी को आप लोगों ने कन्विंस कैसे किया?
Okay.
Because
I didn't
you
say
have
that.
a very easy thing, you know, your own society and then your like, you know, your friends, family who actually saw value in the system. But then when you wanted to grow in the very initial stage, how did that happen?
Actually, the good part is that because this was so novel and people thought we were foolish, you know, कि कौन MNC job छोड़ के and startup craze नहीं था तब. You were supposed to be foolish, to be quitting. माने लोग ये glorified way में नहीं बोलते थे कि I left my MNC job to do startup, नहीं था. You were really thought of as like, you know, कोई brains नहीं है इनका, MNC job छोड़ के they're doing some business. People will ask me, you know, once we had quit our job and we were doing only this, they would ask us, is this the only thing you do? Are you sure? Like, is this even a business, right?
ये आपका side hustle तो नहीं है ना?
Exactly. So, in that way, you know, the management committees in Bangalore, they were actually what do I say, amazed. At the same time, they were happy that somebody's solving this problem. This is not a problem that SAP will solve for you. This is not a problem QuickBooks is going to solve for you, right? So the large software companies are not, TCS, Infosys is not going to build, Infosys will build software for banks, but they're not going to build a software for society, right? So they were very happy that someone has taken this up and solving it. They actually gave us very good word of mouth. Right? And this spreads very fast because people will speak in their office, ke pata hai hamari society mein, we started using this, it's made our life easier. So we got a lot of early word of mouth in Bangalore. So it spread via that. And even media gave us a lot of good word of mouth. So hamara ye problem tha, Chintan, ki how to find the management committee members. If I were to sell, suppose I'm selling a CRM software, which is a sales software, तो मैं LinkedIn में जाके I'll find all the head of sales, right? And I'll pitch to them. अभी आप LinkedIn में जाओगे, can you find कौन secretary of society है, chairman of society? You can't find it anywhere. तो हमने कहा यार, how do we market it, right? And then what happened, Bangalore में तब बहुत water crisis चल रहा था, okay? Too much of water issues, it was a drought year and all that. तो हमने सोचा एक काम करते हैं, let us do a workshop on water management for societies, because this is a burning problem. Software is not a burning problem. Okay, somehow manage ho raha hai, but water is an immediate problem. They need it to be solved. So what we did, we partnered up with Citizen Matters, which is a Bangalore-based media, and some other water experts, Biome, etc. And we said, let's do this. We will bring the attendees. You bring the experts. So we did a water workshop. One of our customers gave their community hall for the event, okay, बहुत ही जुगाड़ू event था, and we said कि only management committees are invited. If you are a resident, not part of management committee, you are not invited. मतलब explicitly. That caught the eyeballs of people. कि आज तक there has not been any event which is exclusive for MCs.
Right.
मतलब please come where you are able to decide for your community.
True.
With the learnings you will take, right? So that workshop happened and it was on all media. It got like full page on one of the Deccan Chronicle, Techie company tries to solve water crisis, headlines, right? That kind of got us like, we didn't spend anything on it, literally. When venue also was given by our customer, right? And that was a very win-win marketing hack that we did. And then Bangalore Mirror put us on their front page, about Apartment Adda. So that is how it took on, right? But you know what? We were only limited to Bangalore. मुंबई से कॉल्स आते थे लेकिन कोई खरीद नहीं रहा था. So we're like, what's wrong? It's the same software, it's the same society. कितना क्या difference हो सकता है? Then what happened? We started traveling and meeting societies here. तब पता चला भाई मुंबई में सोसाइटी मैनेजमेंट इज सो वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड. यहाँ पे सब कुछ सीरियसली वेल रन है. इन द सेंस इन एवरी सोसाइटी ऑफिस देर इज अ मॉडल बायलॉज, एक बुक है. तो अगर आज चिंतन ट्रेजरर बन जाता है अपनी सोसाइटी का, अभी आप कोई MBA इन सोसाइटी मैनेजमेंट होता नहीं है. देयर इज नो एजुकेशन और एनी डिग्री.
आज तक नहीं होता, बट बहुत जल्द हो सकता है.
या लेट्स डू इट. सो आप बन गए अभी ट्रेजरर. आपको कैसे आइडिया होगा कि हाउ डू आई डू माई जॉब राइट? इन मुंबई यू हैव नो प्रॉब्लम. सोसाइटी ऑफिस में जाओ, आप वो मॉडल बायलॉज देखो, योर रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आर क्लियर.
राइट.
Not so in anywhere outside Maharashtra. It was so in 2009, it is so today. Okay? So जब हम मुंबई आए तो हमने देखा कि भाई इधर इकोसिस्टम सेट है. There are these professional society accountants who are guiding the societies and all that. So how do we sell our software here? तो हम लोग ये आगे आते जाते रहते थे. फिर we decided कि यहाँ पे रहना पड़ेगा. We have to live in a Mumbai society, understand it, get embedded, and then only we can sell it. So we relocated from Bangalore to Mumbai. Bangalore में हमारा 3 BHK, very nice setup. Now, of course, we can't afford a 3 BHK rent. That time we are kind of broke entrepreneurs. And so we relocated to a 1 BHK in Mumbai. Okay. And that was something. Me, my husband, mother-in-law, son, all four in a 1 BHK. Okay. 3 BHK को rent पे डाल दिया, so that's another something that's helping. Exactly. But the beauty of Mumbai, in 3 years, just in 3 years, first year 1 BHK में रहे, second year 2 BHK shift किए, third year 3 BHK, really large 3 BHK, we could afford. Okay, rent. That's how Mumbai flourished for us in 100%. Business, right? So that's kind of the initial growth story.
I also want to give you a counter question because I have a lot of people who reach out to me on my social media, like they are new channel partners, new real estate developers. They are like, should we focus on one city and grow our business, or should we have presence in multiple cities? What works better to grow as a company?
Okay.
If you are starting Adda today, would you focus only on one city, grow the beta model, like the model, and then go and try to go to a different city, or does it make sense having presence in multiple cities?
You mean like at once? Like
At
first
once.
year में multi-city
हाँ.
हो गए? Absolutely not. Though we can say it may differ by businesses, but it always makes sense कि आप कोई एक city में वहाँ के super hero बन जाओ. Right? You are the king of what you do in that city. Make that your epicenter और वहाँ से आप spread करो. This is the same approach we use for our international expansion also. Right? We first of all decide which city is right for this product, right? कौन से city में सबसे ज़्यादा hunger demand है for this product?
Right.
And we just focus on that city.
Okay.
Yes.
So you said Bangalore, then Mumbai.
Then Mumbai.
उसके अलावा वो एकदम इनिशियल स्टेज में और कौन सी सिटीज पे आप लोग ने फोकस किया?
We didn't focus. See, there were a lot of inbound leads that keep coming from other cities because they get to somebody in Chennai may be owning in Bangalore. So like, why not in my Chennai society? वो होता था. But consciously we had focused only in Bangalore and Mumbai.
Super. So let me again come back to 2009. It was a model which worked with your building, then your friends. It might worked in like a few societies in and around who heard the word of mouth के through वो लोग आपके पास आए. But what was your pitch in the first 10, 20, 30 societies? आप जाते थे कैसे pitch कैसे करते थे वहाँ पे? एकदम वो hustle. I want to know the real hustle, how it happened.
नहीं, see, it was very interesting. हम लोग क्या करते थे? That was something I had thought about कि PowerPoint नहीं दिखाएंगे, screen नहीं दिखाएंगे. Okay. So we would go say, look, and they are all techies, Bangalore, right? We say, look, entire week आप लोग स्क्रीन देख रहे हो, पावर पॉइंट्स दिखा रहे हो, आई एम गोइंग टू सेल यू सॉफ्टवेयर बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू शो यू स्क्रीन. ठीक है, बिकॉज आई नो यू आर टायर्ड सीइंग स्क्रीन. आई यूज्ड टू हैव दिस प्रिंट आउट ऑफ आवर स्क्रीनशॉट्स. ओके, एंड आई वुड शो लाइक वन स्लाइड. Okay, look at this slide, like a show and tell, aisa, okay. So that was very different for them, okay. And I said, look, at the end of the day, आप यहाँ मेरे साथ बैठे हो, it's a Saturday, okay. Now, your family is waiting for you to come back. Okay, your kids are waiting के पापा आएंगे घर पे खेलेंगे, मूवी देखेंगे, whatever. Your spouse, maybe they are cooking something special and they're all waiting for you. And यहाँ पे आप बैठे हो, क्या कर रहे हो? You are giving your family time to this community. Okay, and what do you get in return? There's no payment for management committees, right? So you're doing this selfless service for the community. The minimum you should have is a good tool in your hand, and that is our life's work to build that tool. Because we don't understand what kind of crazy people do this. जो इतना माने पूरा week इतना tiring work करके still they give their personal time कि यार हमारी community should be well run.
It's a very thankless job.
Exactly.
Actually.
And we don't recognize that, like जब कुछ फटता है society में secretary को पकड़ो. You understand?
कुछ अच्छा होता है तो कोई मतलब चढ़ाने good job ऐसा कोई लिखेगा नहीं.
Exactly. मतलब जब तक चोरी नहीं होती है, no one says thanks to the security guard, right? So on a daily basis, who's saying के thanks security guard? सोता रहता है. That's all we say, right? So pretty much the MCs are also kind of, seen like that. And we were really amazed. Once we started doing this and we started meeting these people, right? The kind of people we met. Some of them, you won't believe it. Ye story suniye aap. So one of the first communities we pitched to was a large villa community. Very well-known villa community at that time in Bangalore. And obviously a lot of HNI, super HNI, celebrities living there. So हमने pitch किया, they loved it. And they said ki, what's the price? So the price we said something like 25 rupees per unit per month, per villa per month, right? So R.K. Mishra ji, I don't know if you know, R.K. Mishra ji, he's a very well-known kind of celebrity.
Okay.
He had won one of the leadership reality shows, that time called reality shows. So
R.K. Mishra, right. Okay.
So he is like, he's just nudging me like this, like, बहुत कम है, it's like बहुत कम है, okay. He's whispering to me. Then I was like, but you can pay us 3 years in advance, okay? Because we need cash that time, right? As a starting startup. They were a customer who paid us, they cut us 1.5 lakh check, which was a big deal, right? At that point for the software, which was hardly 2% of what it is today. So they gave us 3 years in advance ka subscription because they wanted us to grow and really make it work for them.
Right.
So I really look at some of our initial customers like angel investors. They didn't haggle. They told us कि your price is less. Whereas, of course, there were some that's like, oh, इतना ज़्यादा है. You know, the typical.
वो क्या ये सोसाइटी का नाम क्या था?
It's called Palm Meadows. Villa
Palm Meadows,
Owners
if you're watching
Association.
this, thank you so much.
Yes, thank
Please
you.
comment. तो हम लोग को भी अच्छा लगेगा if you reach out. You said good things about all the successes that you have faced initial stage में. मुझे rejections के बारे में सुनना है. ऐसा कोई एक रिजेक्शन स्टोरी फ्रॉम द पास्ट विच एक्चुअली हेल्प्ड अड्डा ग्रो. क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कभी भी कोई अपने को रिजेक्शन मिलता है या कुछ गलत होता है वो अच्छे के लिए होता है.
Absolutely.
ऐसा कुछ अगर एक स्टोरी इफ यू कैन शेयर फ्रॉम द इनिशियल डेज.
100%. See, so initially I was a salesperson, right? So I would go give demos, and typically this will be on Friday evenings, Saturday all day, Sunday mornings. मतलब weekend रहा ही नहीं, okay? Because management committee members are available that time. So I would go meet MCs, follow up, close. So one of those customers, I was following up for a very long time. मतलब 6-7 मीटिंग तो हो चुके थे easily, okay? Every time face to face because that time no Zoom and all that. So he had called me on a Saturday at around 9 o'clock कि मैं check sign करूँगा. Come and take your check. तो that is a big deal. I have to go. That was my son's birthday. Okay, he was like whatever 3 years 4 years old. उसका birthday evening है. उसने सारे friends को बुलाया लेकिन मुझे जाना है customer के site पे to get the check. So I pretty much get the party going and I go off to meet the customer. तो मुझे बहुत देर बिठा के रख के and everything. There's no check. He says कि another signatory is not there. तो आज नहीं हो रहा है. Sorry, you go back. So I come back. Here my son is really heartbroken. I am heartbroken. And then I realized कि यार ये नहीं करना है. ये नहीं करना है. I should know when to protect my family time. Yes, building a company is important. We are broke. We don't have salaries and all that stuff. It will take time. But I am not going to be a successful business person 10 years from now and think, array, I didn't spend time with my child at all. And now he's gone away to college. So that was a big wake-up call for me कि नहीं, I want to live my life and build a business. Let's see if it's doable. So that was a good learning, like you say.
काउंटर क्वेश्चन.
हाँ.
एक इंसान ने कितने घंटे काम करना चाहिए
I don't know.
वीक में? बैंगलोर में होता है ना, कोई जन बोलता है इतने घंटे काम करना
Oh
है.
my God. ये बड़े लोगों को पूछना चाहिए.
फिर भी
Don't ask
यार,
me.
आप बैंगलोर से आ रहे हो ना.
I don't know. I mean, depends on the kind of work and all that, na?
But it actually makes sense. Like, you can't, you have to make sure you are giving time to your work, but also family.
Yes.
Work-life balance.